Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and staying inside your home. To be honest, usually when we are at home, we are either on our phone, computer, or watching Netflix because many of us don't know what to do in this time or what to do in quarantine period. So, in this video, I am going to share 6 productive things to do in this time. Don't worry guys, here I am not suggesting you to do different exercises, have a healthy diet, series on Netflix and blah blah. Here all these things are important for your future betterment and to resolve your confusions. So without further ado, let's get into a video. Current me versus future me. I've started doing this back in 2017 when I was super lost and unhappy with my life. These have helped me in different aspects of life for betterment.
All you have to do is divide your book into two parts. On one section, write current me, and on another section, write future me.
And I know love is like the phases of the moon.
Now start with current me. Draw your current self as you look right now. I am drawing slippers because currently it's real.
Gave up way too soon. Mm-mm.
Fill out the page with how you feel right now. Your positive points, your negative points, habits, fears, confusions, etc. Here I am writing my current confusions. Like I don't know, I'm 25 and I have still not decided my career path. Not just the negative things, but I am writing all the positive things that are happening exactly now. You just have to reflect your current self on the page.
Want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but they were bad days too.
On the other side, draw yourself by imagining your future self and how you want to be.
And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
Please don't judge my drawings. I'm really bad at it.
Now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life. Baby, let it.
Here, write down all the points you aspire to be, like less confusions, reading more books, podcasts, healthy, glowing, productive, strong and fit, financial freedom, etc.
And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know.
This fun exercise can help you give you clarity to get your dream life. Vision board or dream board is a collage of different pictures, images of you, images of your idols, dream places, aspirations, everything that you want in life.
Vision board is designed to serve as a source of inspiration and motivation. Do consider your current me versus future me things in this board. You can use photographs, cutouts from magazines, newspaper, anything that you think is relevant to your vision board. Here are few examples of vision boards.
You back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had.
Now Now, so that you have your clear vision for your future self, the third step is to work on those things, that is, keeping a journal. Journaling or writing a diary are two different things. You can buy different journals by different creators, or you can make your own journal.
I am using eJournal by Saloni Srivastava called Creating a Dream Life. This clip is to explain you what is exactly journaling. You can vary your index or content as per your need or choice, like habit trackers, health and money tracker, gratitude, milestones, meal planning or meal tracker, and your interest.
Download and use podcasts for free if you're an Android user, and if you're an Apple user, it's already a built-in app. Try to listen to those podcasts while doing different things, like while cooking, while exercising, or even before sleeping.
Podcasts are packed with knowledge and entertainment, and loads of tips and summaries of various books plus interviews. This will help you out if you don't like to read books.
Communication can be really hard in any relationships, maybe with your siblings, parents, or maybe even with your spouse. And this may result into misunderstandings, more expectations, and differences.
Now, this is the time to talk with your partners, friends, or parents. Be open about your feelings. Try to explain yourself in a better way as you have all the time in the world.
You know what? It's always good to express than expect.
Say that I want you.
At the end, just relax. Do all the things that you always wanted to do when you were busy and didn't have time.
Sometimes I say
Dance, listen to your favorite music, have a date with yourself, pamper yourself, and get ready for the next chapter when this is all over.